Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're visiting my channel, click the like, comment below, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. You can also share my videos to your friends. Historical accounts of African warfare and warriors are often regarded as folktales, but are they? In the current society, the warrior ethos has been romanticized on the cinema front and it continues to linger. Various campaigns use the warrior moniker to express fierceness, but the stories aren't folktales and they represent actual personalities that alter the continent's history. Who are the greatest African warriors celebrated by different societies and nations? First, I will be talking about Ahmed Alba. Ahmed Alba was the leader of Songhai Empire that is present-day northern Nigeria, Senegal, Gambia, Guinea, Mauritania and Mali. The African warrior ruled over two-thirds of West Africa. Although he was a renowned and fierce leader, Ahmed, formerly known as Albas Ahmed Al-Tuka Al-Musufi, was highly educated and a great political provocator. His empire collapsed after the invasion of the European and the Arab in 1591. He died in Sahara in 1627. 2. Behazin Hosuboli, the King Shark. Behazin is famous for outpowering the French expedition in 1890s and forcing them to pay for utilizing the path of Cotonou. Indeed, he was one of the most powerful and fearsome African warriors who fought slavery. He ruled during the last year of the 19th century. However, Behazin was defeated in 1894 by a Senegalese European known as Colonel Ayers Edodes. The colonel was given a powerful French army to help him defeat the great African warrior. Behazin perished in 1906. Number 3. Ketroye Kapanda. If you're looking for the deadliest African warrior, then Ketroye Kapanda is your guy. He was a great hero that defeated the British in one of their biggest defeats ever in hands of Africans. Ketroye was a Zulu king that resisted the British invasion to Zululand and even killed the French heir to the throne, Prince Napoleon. The African legend was finally captured and perished in February 1844. Number 4. Yaa Asantewaa makes the list of renowned male African warrior. She was a Ghanaian warrior queen born into the Ashanti Kingdom. Her greatest achievement that is celebrated until today is her conquest of the British. This defeat allows her people to resist invasion. Yaa was later exiled in Seychelles, where she resided until her death. Number 5. The Dahomey Amazon. They were female African warriors that were known to be ferocious fighters and had a reputation of depreciating soldiers during battle. They represent the Kingdom of Dahomey, which is nowadays Republic of Benin. The female warriors fought along male soldiers in 1890s in the first Franco-Dahomey War against the French. Their impressive skills and remarkable agility allowed the warriors to overwhelm the French troops. Number 6. Njinga of Ndongo and Matemba. How many ancient rulers and warriors do you know as of today, Angola? Njinga was a smart leader of the Ndongo region and Matemba kingdom of the Bodo people. She ruled the region in the 17th century. The African warrior was very tactical and intelligent in her strategies. She created a great army by giving runaway slaves and Portuguese-trained army soldiers sanctuary. This strong force allowed her to resist numerous Portuguese colonization attempts. Number 7. Amina's 34 years regime of the Zazu Kingdom, Zaria in present-day Nigeria, ensured the safe passage of traders in the entire Sahara region. She is amongst the most popular African warrior queen that installed various developments in her region. This includes introducing metal battle, ammo, military encampments behind fortress walls, and many more. Baibure was a great military strategist that led the Tebe and the local uprising against the British in 1898. This was in North Sierra Leone. The ruler was angered by the British imposing hot tax that forced them to pay taxes in form of money, labor, grain, and stock. Bure refused this tax policy and declared war on the British. He led his troops that fought vigorously for months, killing numerous British troops. Unfortunately, he surrendered and was exiled to Ghana. Bure later returned to Sierra Leone, where he became the chief of Kase. Number 9. Samora Toure. He was born in Samankoro, a village in southeast of Kankan, the present-day Guinea. This African warrior preferred confrontation, whereby he utilized his welfare and diplomacy to handle the French that was colonizing the West African region. This resistance established Samora Toure as the leading African opponent of the European imperialism. Number 10. Sundiata Keita is renowned as the founder of the ancient Mali Empire, the Gambia, Guinea, Guinea-Bissau, Ivory Coast, Mali, Niger, Mauritania, and Senegal in the 13th century. His kingdom became one of the richest in the world. Sundiata Keita even declared the first Charter of Human Rights, the Median Charter.